Hello guys, this is Muhammad from How to PC. Today I'll show you how to fix the start menu not working in Windows 10. This step is very easy. May say you cannot access to shares field. You can by clicking in the taskbar, right click, you will see task manager, and you have here a task manager. Go to file and running a new task. Type PowerShell, and you need to check that create this task with administration privilege and hit OK. I will put the code in the description. Let's copy the code, copy it and paste it here in the PowerShell by Control V and enter. That will refresh the taskbar. I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.